Our 9 kVA diesel generator represents great value and reliability, and is one of the most popular in our range. Australia's extreme heat is no match for our water cooling, and our 3-cylinder, low RPM engine will run longer, quieter, and more efficiently. Add in the pure economic benefits of diesel fuel, and you have a generator that will run for as long as you need, wherever you need, and won't burn in the heat, burn through the fuel, or burn a hole in your wallet. Keep watching to find out more. Features: low RPM, 1500 RPM 3-cylinder engine. Generators with a low RPM last longer and have a more stable operation. Water cooled, perfectly suited for use in extreme temperatures. Diesel fueled, very economical for low cost running and low consumption. Long hours between refills. 24-hour fuel tank at prime load as standard. Safety first. All RCDs installed as standard. Why choose Able? Able is a diesel generator industry leader for performance, build quality, mine spec, reliability, longevity, and safety. All Able diesel generators are specially designed to withstand the harsh Australian environment and usage. Our water-cooled diesel generators are particularly suited for Australia's hot climate. Able diesel generators are especially reliable, fuel efficient, and incredible value for money. It will be hard to find a better value diesel generator in Australia. Dependable reliability. Our water-cooled diesel generators are rated to be tough enough for Australia's north for ultimate dependability. Our generators operate with a standard runtime of 24 continuous hours on prime load to keep your home, business, or workshop operating for prolonged periods of time, weeks, not just for hours. Uncompromised safety. Able diesel generators have full ELCB earth leakage protection, protecting you against electrocution, and is a requirement at all homes and workshops according to Australian standards. They're fully equipped with fail-safe engine protection, low oil pressure shutdown, over temperature shutdown, alternator overload control, general generator fault management. Mine spec ready. Able sales have a full range of mine spec ready generators in stock. We proudly stand behind our gensets with an industry standard 1 year or 1,000 hours warranty and backup service on our diesel generators. We've got you covered from faulty parts to defective workmanship for your peace of mind. Able generator benefits. All Able generators are either selected or specially designed to withstand the harsh Australian environment and usage. They are made tough to last for maximum longevity. They're also reliable, fuel efficient, and incredible value for money. It will be hard to find a generator of a better value in Australia. Able generators are either designed by our in-house generator experts or carefully selected from our preferred suppliers based on quality, performance, reliability, longevity, and safety. They're built to high quality standards, and then each model is thoroughly tested to ensure they'll perform and withstand Australia's most challenging environments and usage. We supply this generator fully prepared and primed with all fluids, ready for use upon receipt. Call our friendly experts on 1300 793 001. We have many satisfied clients throughout Australia who choose to buy from us for the best quality and value, even after freight is considered. However, if you're in Perth, Melbourne, or Brisbane, do come in to inspect our machinery. Too busy to come in? Simply give our friendly staff a call for any advice you may require. We'll recommend a generator to suit your needs. Otherwise, we can custom build one to suit your specific requirements and delivery straight to your door anywhere in Australia. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.